Look, we got a new tool. The V-Diag tool V200 Pro. This is an automotive circuit probe and breaker finder kit. This is a tool that every mechanic should have. Let's open it up. We got it right here. Wow. Okay, so we could say this is similar to Power Probe. The only difference is that this one is special because it already comes with a breaker finder kit, which means that if you're having an open circuit, we have a broken cable in your vehicle, how are you gonna diagnose? You need a breaker finder, and this will definitely make your life easier. Let's unbox together and let's test it. See what we have here. See, okay. The Diag tool. This case is amazing. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so this is just the core extension. Okay, whoa. Hey, I like these alligator clips. Okay, if you want to connect it to your 12-volt jack in your car. The logic tip. Let me take this out. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, this is it. This is what I was looking for. The breaker finder. And we finally have the V-Diag tool. I believe you go right here, eh? Okay, copy that. It comes with a very detailed instruction manuals to tell you exactly how to use each one of the functions. Oh, very nice. Now it's time to connect it. First, I need a source of energy to power up, so I'm gonna use this lithium battery. I'm going to install the tip. It goes right here. Okay, very nice. I'm gonna take out the cable. Oh, I need to connect if I wanna connect it to the 12-volt battery, I will need the alligator clips. Now this only goes in one position. Very nice. Battery right here. Battery right here. Let me turn it on. V-Diag tool. So it's giving me the functions of direct current, alternating current. It has a function of, it measures a resistance as well. And you can also test diodes. Oh, very nice. Now testing the leads right here in the battery. Let's see what data this gives me. I'm gonna connect it to the positive. Let's see. 13 volts, which means that once you connect it to a power or a hotline, it's gonna tell you right here. But what happens if I connect it to a ground? Check this out. It shows you in green. This is amazing. Now, how do I use these leads? Well, first thing I'm gonna use is, for example, this pair of bulbs. I could probably connect the ground right here. Let's say if you want to test the load, you want to test a relay, you want to test a fan, whatever, you can just connect your line and inject power. Look. You can perform a load test very nice with this. Well, if you have another source of energy that you want to inject ground, look, you can also inject ground. I have this 2012 Toyota Prius that is giving me a code, high voltage contactor circuit open. What do you say if we test it using the V-Diag tool? Let me test this relay and activate it. Let's see. All right, can you hear the relay working? Now I want to see if it's giving me continuity by chance. I'm just going to use a regular multimeter to check if by chance these contacts are closing when I'm testing the relay. Here we go, let's see. All right, testing in 3, 2, 1. Oh, so apparently the relay is fine, but it's giving me an open circuit, probably because it's corroded. Yes, I believe it's because this vehicle was unfortunately flooded. So you see the corrosion over here is just causing high resistance. Now the next step, I want to check or inspect an open circuit. So what happens if I have a cable, it's a fan controller, it's a sensor controller, but you're having a trouble code open circuit. How in the world are you going to test it? Well, let's use the circuit finder. Here we go. To connect this circuit finder, I need to set up this second function right here. Okay, now I am going to connect the red lead here in the terminal because the red lead is going to trigger a signal or create a frequency signal that can be traced by this receiver. Now, let me turn it on. Let me press the button. All right. Now, according to the instructions manual, you do not set it up this way. You set it up this way to be more efficient. Now, let me find it. Let me see. There you go. There you go. Now, what happens if, for example, this cable is supposed to be connected? Let's give you an example. This cable goes right here. Look, I lost the signal. Over here is strong. When I separate it from the circuit, that is how you use this beautiful device to track an open circuit. The problem in the vehicles is because these cables are into the very big electrical tape of a big cover. So finding it physically, sometimes it could be a nightmare. This will make your life so much easier as just to put it next to the cable or the wiring and there you go. So the V200 circuit probe is truly a must-have tool. Do you guys know that this is only $100? Yep. I don't know why, but these guys are totally killing the competition. So I'll leave you guys the link in the description. V200 Pro is truly a must-have tool. So if you want to learn more, stick around for our tips. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.